welcome back to my channel. Just kidding.
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It's mine, not hers. So today I'm doing my little sister's makeup. We're doing a homecoming look, so she wants a very pretty blue turquoise look, and the first thing I started with was eyebrows. She has really thick brows, so I really didn't have to do much. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. And then I just used a spoolie to brush her hairs up. To carve out the eyebrows, I'm using the Hard Candy Glamouflage Concealer. Honestly, I'm starting to really like this concealer a lot. I think it's a perfect dupe for the P. Louise base concealers. It's very thick and opaque, just like them, and it's very tacky as well, so perfect for the eyeshadows. For the first eyeshadow, I'm picking up the color Indigo by the Morphe Dare to Create palette. I'm just going to be packing this dark navy blue shadow all over the lid. I'm going to be adding a bunch of layers of it because I want it to be really, really dark. And then I'm using a fluffy blending brush to blend out the color. Next, I'm going to be doing a messy cut crease. I don't really want it to be super perfect on the lid. I just want a tacky base for more eyeshadows. And for the second eyeshadow I'm going to use is by the Zodiac palette by BH Cosmetics. I'm picking up the color Aries, and I'm just packing that onto her eye. We're going to make sort of a spotlight effect with this. So you do want to leave the middle of the eyelid a little bit bare and then just blend the colors out. Next, I'm using the gold shimmery cream eyeshadow, and I'm just packing that all over the middle of the eyelid for the highlighted look in the halo eye. And on top of that, I'm going to be adding a eyeshadow also by the Zodiac palette by BH Cosmetics. I'm adding Pisces into the middle of it for a nice highlight. Then I'm just adding her base. I used some foundation by Shani Cosmetics, and it's part of the Mini Masterpiece Kit. I love how my contour shade for that palette is her foundation shade. I am so jealous. She is so tan. I wish I could have that tan all year long. Next, for concealer, I'm adding the Glamouflage Concealer in shade Medium once again, but to her under eyes and to all the high points of her face. And this is where I messed up. I should have just left her face alone. She really doesn't need that much, but I insisted on doing the whole thing, so we did some contour, but I picked the wrong contour shade for her, so it looks a little muddy, a little ashy. She needed something a little bit more warm, so yep, you should definitely know people's shade. Continuing with the cream products, I'm using this Cover FX Illuminating Enhancing Drops. I forgot the name. I think it's Candlelight. I will leave everything in the details pictures on my Instagram or even down below in the description box if you like. And then off camera I set everything with some powder and some bronzer and blush as well. And then I finished off the eyes with adding a little bit of the indigo on the lower lash line. Then finish off the eyes with mascara and eyelashes if you like. We only use mascara. This is by Wet n Wild. And then I added some powdered highlight. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero, and I used the color 143 on all the high points of her face. And then for lips, I used the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Abu Dhabi. And that is it for the final look. Here is some awkward modeling by my little sister. I hope you guys enjoyed. So I'm clearly not in frame because I look like a hot mess. But this is my hand, and this is my little sister. I did some fun homecoming makeup for her. She did want some color. Normally she would not wear this much makeup, but because it was just supposed to be a fun video, so here it is. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to
Like, subscribe, comment, and share.
yeah, there you go. Listen to her, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell if you want to see my next video. Yeah, like it up.